One of the big challenges I've faced clinically for years with composite resins is establishing a quick, high shine that is long lasting. A lot of things I tried just didn't cut it. I first learned about A.S.A.P polishers from a friend of mine at one of the trade shows. He said, "You've got to try these polishers, they're unbelievable." A.S.A.P polishers stand out for two reasons. First of all, it's a simple two-step technique, and that's a big plus when you look at so many of the other systems that require 3 or more steps to establish a high shine. The second is the design of the polisher. They're designed in such a way that they really get into the grooves and the anatomy that you've established without obliterating it. The feature that sold me on A.S.A.P polishers was the fact that they're autoclavable up to 30 times. I can reuse them, and they establish the most incredible shine on virtually any composite I've tried them with. Since I started using A.S.A.P polishers, I've noticed that I'm able to establish a luster to my resins that mirrors that of two structure. I never had that before with any other polishers. It's a great system, creating lifelike results. There are some other clinician's choice products I couple with A.S.A.P. One of those is the dual force composite ring system, and it works beautifully. Really nice for composite resins, as well as the dual force wedge system. They're great combinations with A.S.A.P. What sets A.S.A.P polishers apart from anybody else is the way they establish a luster, and that's the reason I recommend them to my colleagues. They produce a very fast, efficient, high luster, mirroring that of enamel, and it's a brilliant way to get a great shine.